Good afternoon to the panel.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm Sanjay Sahani, and I'm a businessman. Yeah, I want to tell you something, not you of course, like you have been advising to invest in equity for greater return and fighting inflation. But what my experience has been that if you have enough of capital and you can invest in reality, then reality gives you far greater returns over a period of time than equities. Then why should we go for equities and not reality if you have enough of corpus to buy reality? And what I find is that equity investments may give you better returns if you don't have enough of corpus to buy reality or go into reality. Please suggest.
Sure. I think first of all, I just want to clarify, sir, that I don't think it's anybody's case that you should be all your money in equity or all your money on realty. Having said that, I think Karthik started by saying that it's realty and equity really which are two asset classes which can give you great returns. I think the point that he's making is if I have a large corpus that I can go and buy chunks of property, should I at all even invest in equity? I think that's the point he's making.
I'll give you a very simple explanation to that. If I assume that equity and realty will both do 15% on a long-term basis compounded, so I know the return generation potential is the same. Now, the next level of elimination would be what? The probability and liquidity. What is the probability that I will get 15% return on equities? And what is the liquidity factor? Both cases as high as 98-99%. What is the probability that wealth will grow in realty? 98%. What is the liquidity factor? 50%, 60%. आपको जो भाव लगता है खरीद बेचने के लिए और जो खरीदार को भाव लगता है खरीदने के लिए, उसमें हमेशा डिफरेंस होता है. तो रियलिटी में ऐसा होता है कि शायद 1, 2, 3 डील्स टॉप वाले भाव पे हो जाए. इसका मतलब नहीं कि पूरा मार्केट वहां चला गया और सारे ही डील्स वहीं पे होंगे. आपको जब पैसा चाहिए तो आप 2 ईंट, 4 ईंट, 6 ईंट या 1 रूम बेच नहीं सकते आपके फ्लैट में से, पूरा बेचना पड़ता है. जबकि इक्विटी में आपकी जितनी जरूरत हो उतना बेच सकता है. सो मेरे ख्याल से लिक्विडिटी और वो फैक्टर के लिए ठीक है. जो आपका सवाल पूछा वो भी गलत नहीं है. अगर आपके पास इतना सारा पैसा है कि आपकी बेसिक जरूरतें सारी टेकन केयर ऑफ हो गई है, तो बाय ऑल मीन्स गोल्ड कीजिए, बाय ऑल मीन्स रियल एस्टेट में जाइए, अंतरराष्ट्रीय बाजार में जाइए, गूगल खरीदिए, गूगल के शेयर खरीदिए फॉर एग्जांपल. तो मतलब जो चाहे वो कर सकते हैं और बहुत सारी फैंसी चीजें भी कर सकते हैं हम.
One second, sir. Shailesh has a point.
Go where you understand. Real estate also has its own nuances to understand the challenges of buying, selling. Prices go up, they're going up for a period of time in real estate. Doesn't mean they will continue to go up forever. Understand the each segment, when you're investing such chunky money with lock-in effectively because there is lack of immediate liquidity in most cases.